I'm in my Rachel Ray bag. Hey, what is it, 30-minute meals? Let me show you how to make some 30-minute chicken. Let me show y'all how amazing this stove is. So as soon as you plug it up, it comes on. And it's literally like your just everyday usage stove, especially good for college kids, or just if you want that extra stove on your counter as a cook, because y'all know most of our stoves got like about 5 burners. So yeah, and this is touchscreen. Look at this. And she is ready. Also compatible for all cookwares, and plus if you want to do a timer like a slow cooker, you can literally set a 24-hour timer just for it to slow cook on your food. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how this thing works. I'm gonna get to using it. I'm actually gonna fry some chicken. Y'all already know that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna show you why you need this in your life. So we turning this on. We gonna hit this temp up. Look, it's already going. So let's fry this chicken. This grease is getting hot, and this machine is doing exactly what it needs to do. And I love this because I feel like now I got my own cooking show, so I can literally get in the vibe. Because y'all know it's hard to put my stand on my stove when I'm cooking, and I like to have my cooking vibe. So even if you do cooking channels, this stove will be perfect for you because you can literally put it on your counter and get to cooking. Oh yeah, this grease is getting hot. It is ready to go. Okay, so now we're about to just start dropping these into the grease. Look, the best thing about this is that this grease is at a perfect frying temperature. So it's cooking them without burning them. And all I had to do was press start. That song in my head, all the women who independent, throw your hands up at me. All the women who making money. I ain't say I was a singer, I said I was a cooker. This girl with a bad attitude. Again, look at this chicken, nice and crisp. And again, look, there's not grease splashed all over the place. So if you are using this like in your dorm, you don't have to worry about that. But again, temp still the same and it's still performing. So once again, go check this out. The link is in this video on my store.